The governor of Edo State, Senator Okpebholo, don inaugurate 7-man panel wey go investigate the suspended 18 local government chairmen and their vice chairmen for the state. Una go remember say for December 17, 2024, during plenary, the Edo State House of Assembly suspend the 18 local government chairmen and their vice chairmen after Governor Okpebholo filed petition against them. For the petition, the governor accused the council executive of insubordination and gross misconduct on top say the chairmen no gree submit the financial account statement of their local government to the State Asset Verification Committee so dem fit do their work wella. For the resolution, the House can suspend the chairman and vice chairman for 2 months and can yarn the legislative leaders for the local government to handle the council affairs for now. The 7-man panel dey led by Solomon Imohuse with Osage Asabo as the secretary. The other members na Adaze Andrew Evanta, Patrick Idiake, Doreen Eduwe, Henry Ituewa and Prince Kazim Afegba. Governor Okpebholo inaugurated the 7-man panel to reaffirm the administration commitment to accountability and transparency for local government operations. For in talk, Oga Governor Kontok say,
recently, the refusal of the 18 local government chairmen to provide their financial statement even after an extended deadline, left us with no choice but to take the necessary course of action. Their actions were a clear breach of public trust. To protect the interests of Edo people, we have approved their suspension. This is not just because of our competence. It is about safeguarding integrity in public trust services. As a leader, we must always recognize the welfare and confidence of our people. So I hereby inaugurate the committee.
Solomon Imohuse, wey be the head of the panel for in part, Kontok say,
we are humbly privileged to be part of this panel of inquiry that has been instituted. Like rightly observed, the state governor has the right under Section 20 of the local government law to dissolve the council if the chairman or vice chairman or only one of them or all of them are not contributing and performing their functions usually to the welfare of the people. Based on that, we want to assure Mr. Governor that we are going to do our best and be very objective in this manner and look at the law and all the circumstances and report back to the governor with a very good report that this is what has happened in respect of what we have been assigned to do. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, sir.
The panel's investigation will clear the matter of misconduct and insubordination, and the outcome of the inquiry will get serious impact for the future of local government administration for Edo State. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.